My name is Portia, and welcome to the first episode of my new channel, Portia Zero. This channel will be focused on zero waste living, minimalism, and sustainability. That is my cat. And for my first video, I thought that I'd keep it pretty simple and do a what's in my bag video. My cat. Anyway, so this is my bag. It's a Herschel bag, so not particularly sustainable. I got this bag about 6 months ago before I discovered zero waste living. I had had the same bag for 5 years before, but I had gotten a lot of rips in it because I'd had it all through high school and international moves and just a lot. So this is my new bag. I have 3 pins on it. This is from the African American Museum in DC from a recent trip to DC. This is a pink triangle from the Holocaust Museum in DC, and this is a little black cat on a book from the Library of Congress. I live in Canada, but I recently took a trip to Washington, DC. Anyway, so let's start. This is not completely zero waste. I'm still transitioning, so I'm still using up what I have, but I figured that this is a good, realistic view that not everybody is carrying around like 50 mason jars at all times. Not that there's anything wrong with that. That's awesome. So we'll start. I have a handkerchief. I got this for about $1 at I got this for about $1 at a local thrift store, and I really enjoy it. I have a runny nose a lot, so I really use it quite often. This is not zero waste at all. It is a Wet n Wild liquid catsuit lip color, and I really like it. It is, Wet n Wild is cruelty-free and vegan. I'm not sure if this exact lip color is vegan, but I do know that they're a cruelty-free brand, and like I said, I've had it for a while, so I enjoy it. I'm going to use it up, and if it's vegan, I will probably repurchase. This next thing isn't zero waste at all. It's a book, but it's actually from the library, so I suppose that's zero waste. It's 5 Days at Memorial, so has nothing to do with sustainability, but it is a library book, so that's always a good thing. I did say I had no mason jars, but I have this. This is a reusable Ziploc, and it is shaped like a mason jar. And inside I have 3 protein balls, which I made completely zero waste from ingredients I bought in bulk. So I'm just carrying these around because I like them as snacks, and I'm going to the gym later, and I enjoy eating protein balls when I go to the gym. My next thing I have is a stainless steel water bottle. It's not a Swell because they're really expensive, so it is called Mana, and I just really enjoy this. I had a plastic water bottle, but I would put it between my backpack, and I used it in my house, and then like in my car, and my gym bag. So I needed another one to keep in my gym bag and one to keep in my backpack. So I put my old plastic one in my gym bag and bought this for my backpack. So I really like it. It keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. I primarily just drink water, so that's great for me, and I really like it. Not zero waste, but I have my charger. I also have an iPhone, which I'm currently filming on. Next thing I have is just a cloth bag. This has a code on it from when I used it for bulk shopping. I typically carry this just in case I buy anything either in bulk or I buy something small that I just want to put in a bag. It's just a drawstring bag. I sewed it myself from a pillowcase and just some rope that I bought, and I really like it. I use it a lot, so I just carry this with me. I have a lot of them, which I keep in my zero waste grocery kit, which I will hopefully do another day in a video. Not zero waste, but I have this Carmex, lip balm. And the top is metal, the bottom is plastic, but I can also reuse this container when I'm done with it. Next up, I have my charging block. So for when I'm traveling and cannot plug my charger in, I just have this. Not zero waste. This is more zero waste. This is a cuticle oil. It's by Burt's Bees. It's in a recyclable packaging. It came in paper and then a thin piece of plastic around it for no reason at all. But besides that little piece of plastic, it's completely zero waste. I really enjoy it. It is lemon butter scented, and I really like it. Next, I have a canvas bag, which I keep with me for if I go shopping and I need to buy something that doesn't fit in my backpack. This one has a lot of artists on it who are like punkified, so I have like Marcel Proust, Virginia Woolf, Langston Hughes, Jane Austen, Oscar Wilde, and Maya Angelou. And on the back it says, "It is through disobedience that progress has been made, through disobedience and through rebellion," by Oscar Wilde. And I got this at the Library of Congress. I really like it. Obviously it was not made sustainably, but I really enjoyed the saying and the pictures on it, and I needed a new cotton bag, so I got it. My next thing is my utensils. This, I sewed this from scrap fabric and then a little bit of rope. So it's not the nicest thing, I need to make a new one, but it unravels like this. And inside I have a cloth napkin. Here we go. I have a fork, a knife, a spoon. It exists. A pair of chopsticks. And a metal straw, which is the newest part of my collection. I just bought this actually 2 days ago at a zero waste store, and I really like it so far. And this is what the little pouch looks like empty. My last thing in my wallet is the last thing in my bag is a wallet. It's from Matt and Nat, which is a company local to me in Montreal, and it is made from vegan leather. Also, the inside is made of recycled bottles. It says, "This lining is made of 100% recycled plastic bottles. We recycle an average 3 million bottles per year." And inside, I have my driver's license, my library card, my card for the bookstore, my card for a pet shop, my Sephora card, my Starbucks card. I have a reusable Starbucks cup, don't worry. And a card for my grocery store, my debit, my college ID card, and my gym membership card. And that is what is in my bag. I really like everything I have. I use it all every single day, and I think that I can definitely do better with buying more sustainably going forward and making better quality products for myself, like this not so nice little bag here. But yeah, I think that it's a pretty good start for somebody who's pretty new to zero waste. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's the first one on my channel, and I hope to make many more. I have a few ideas, but if you have any more, please let me know in the comment section, and feel free to like or subscribe or comment anything you may wish. And have a wonderful day. Bye.